Hi, welcome to my kitchen today. I will show you how to cook spinach in Kerala style. Ingredients: 1 cup scraped coconut, 2 pinch turmeric powder, and 1 big onion, and a pinch of cumin seed, and 2 garlic clove, and a little salt. Spinach is a versatile, nutrient-rich leafy green vegetable native to Central and Western Asia that can be eaten raw or cooked. It is a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, potassium, and magnesium. Now the spinach stir-fry, or Cheera Thoran, is ready to serve. Thank you for watching my videos.